When I shop, why am I always looking at the ingredients, even for medicine? So, I'm in the cold and cough section. Basically, products for the people that are sick. I mean, medicine or products for people wanting to get better. Oops! Look at this. Tell me, please tell me. What ingredient is supposed to make me feel better? The eucalyptus oil, which I didn't know it was safe to eat. The fake coloring, the artificial flavor, the 3 types of sugar. Oh, it must be the water. That's it. I should buy Halls for cough because of water. Fructose you.